Did you know space is not silent? And what scientists discovered shocked everyone. For years we believed that space is completely silent, because sound needs air to travel, right? Well, yes, but here's the twist. Space isn't totally empty. In 2022, NASA pointed their instruments at a distant galaxy cluster, and picked up actual sound waves rippling through hot gas. The result? A deep, eerie cosmic whale song coming from millions of light years away. The craziest part? The sound is so low, you'd have to increase its frequency by billions of times just to hear it, meaning the universe might be whispering. And we never noticed. Space isn't silent. We're just too small to hear its voice. You're watching Wheels of Wisdom,